Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to continue this vlog, just trying to continue get back on my YouTube Zoom, because I know I've been slacking a lot. But today it's just gonna be kind of like a day in my life. I just finished a get ready with me on TikTok, but I'll probably post it here. I'll show you guys my outfit in a few, but I just got ready. I'm going to work, and then after work I'm going to a pumpkin patch with my friends. We're finally doing something fall activity wise, and it's a cute rooftop pumpkin patch. It's in Queens. It's where the summer club, if you guys know in New York, summer club, they have a rooftop pool and stuff, but they turn it into a pumpkin patch. So they have different activities like archery. I think they have a tarot reading, pumpkin smashing. It's really fun. So, and we get to keep a pumpkin too. So that's what we're doing after work. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce the vlog, and I'll probably pick up after work because I'm just gonna be at work all day, slaving my life away. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in a second. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Just wanted to introduce the vlog real quick. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and just stay tuned. I have it too, because it's just... What are you laughing at? Hey you guys, so it's the next day. So I just wanted to recap yesterday at the pumpkin patch. It was so much fun. It was really cute. They had archery, pumpkin smashing, they had tarot reading, pumpkin picking. It was really cute. I really enjoyed it. We had drinks. We went to the bar. We had some drinks. The drink was strong. Maybe I'm just a lightweight now. I had a margarita, but it was called Frankenrita, for Halloween. But it was really good. It was strong. It had me a little schmiz. I was feeling nice in the pumpkin patch. It was fun. Definitely recommend if you guys want to go. Still check it out. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be there, but I'm pretty sure for the month of November it'll still be up. But definitely go check it out. And it was only, it ranges from $18 to $30 depending if you're getting a group pack. So me and my friends, it was 3 of us, so we ended up paying $25 each, which is pretty cheap. And the archery is complimentary. You have to pay for the tarot, the pumpkin smashing, and that's it. But I think it was a really good deal. It was so cute. I definitely enjoyed it. But today's the next day. It's Saturday. I just got ready real quick. I'm about to go to Sephora. Got some stuff for the Sephora sale. I'll show you guys what I got later. I'm just gonna keep it going and do a weekend vlog. And then I have to go to Target because I need to get some stuff to cook. I feel I'm just buying food every week. It's so annoying. But it's I usually cook. So it's I don't really order out unless I'm going out to eat or whatever. So it's I'm always cooking. Where my man at that he could cook for me too. But yeah, and then tomorrow I'm doing something exciting. I'll probably vlog it soon. Doing something exciting with my hair. It's gonna get very fun. I wish it would have came in time so I could do it for the pumpkin patch, but it literally came same day yesterday, so I didn't get to do it. But it's fine because I really wanted it for next weekend because my cousin's coming into town and I'm gonna record that too, girls weekend. So we're gonna meet up with 2 of her friends. They're cool, I've met up with them before. We're supposed to go to Sojo, Top Golf. It's supposed to be like just a girls weekend, relaxing girls weekend, you know, having fun, going out, brunch. So I'm definitely vlogging next weekend as well too. So my hair was really for that, but I just, you know, I felt like it would have been cute for the pumpkin patch because it would have been like on theme. But it's alright, because November is still, you know, fall, you know. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys in Sephora. I mean, he at least has.
So I could be ordering stuff left on my hand.
Do you want to change from Dior or?
So I just came back from Sephora, so let's do a little Sephora haul. So for starters, I got the Ole Hankinson. It's like a little set. I really just wanted the brightening gel, the cream, but then I kind of wanted the eye cream as well because I love this eye cream. So I was like, let me just get the set. I've never tried the serum, but I'll probably try it out because I really love these 2 products. So I'm pretty sure like the serum will work just as good. So got that. I needed to re-up on my Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. I love this cleanser. And it's a big one, so this is gonna last me forever. And it comes with the pump and stuff. Get a mess here. Then I got this Dermalogica Power Cleanse Duo. I really just wanted the cleanser, but the big one was like $65 and I'm like, who's paying for that thing? So I just got the small one, but I've had this size before and it's lasted me like a long time, so I'm like, I'll be fine with this. And it also came with this pre-cleanse. Never tried it before, but I'll try it out, see how it works. Next, which is really like the main reason why I wanted to go, was to try this. To try the Fenty, the foundation stick, because I've been seeing so many good reviews on it. So I finally got my hands on it. I got the shade 16, and it is, I have it on right now. It's slightly warmer. You probably can't even tell. My perfect match was 14, but they didn't have it in stock. But I'm like, this is fine because I usually use a brightening concealer anyway. And then I do plan on going away in December for my birthday, so I'm like, I'll probably get a little darker, so like, I'm like, this is fine. And then, oh, I also just re-upped on my Laneige lip balm and berry. And then I've been wanting to try the Rare Beauty blushes, so I finally got my hands on one, and I got the one in the shade Joy. It's like, oh, I'm making a mess here. It's like a corally peachy color. So I'm excited to try that out. And then for like the points, I just got this like the Sol de Janeiro, the pink one. It smells so good. I'm obsessed. So that's everything I got. I didn't go crazy. I did want to pick up another like Kosas concealer, but they were like out of stock, like out of all of them. I also wanted to get the Fenty. It's like a gel blemish Target spot treater thing, but I didn't see it there in the Sephora. I think that's it. I really mostly got everything I wanted to get for the most part, so that's good. I didn't go ham because Sephora will take everything from me. But yeah, then I went to Target and I just picked up like some food items, just like chicken, ground turkey, potatoes. Yeah, I'm not really doing anything else for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go take a shower, eat something, and then just chill. And then I'll probably pick up the vlog back up tomorrow, because like I said, I'm doing some things to my hair. So I'll pick back up tomorrow. I'll probably bathe Coco tomorrow. I'm too lazy today. But yeah, so that's everything for today's portion of the vlog, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Imagine the day they see you again. And you are just, well, better.
Hey y'all, so I didn't really get to end off the vlog. I'm at work right now, so as you can see, as you guys saw on the TikToks too, my hair is changing. But honestly, it's just temporarily because I've been playing around with it and I'm still getting used to it, and it's been like 3 days already. And it's like the colors you wear are very like minimal. It's basically like just black, white. I have a like turtleneck today, like just black. But it was really for this weekend because it's girls' weekend. My cousin's coming into town Friday. So, and the good thing is we're wearing black all weekend. That's also why I did this hair color too, just to like have a pop. We're wearing black all weekend. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog. I'm gonna be on my Zoom and continue vlogging. Hold me accountable. If you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog, and stay tuned for my next one.